Hi.
Hi.
Look at that.
I'm gonna open this one last.
No, open that one
Yeah,
first.
that one first.
Okay. Whoa! A motorcycle.
Do you love it? Do you love it,
You
baby?
love it?
Two, Mom.
What about
What?
Daddy?
It's number 2.
Let me see that helmet.
What's that, baby?
Put this on you.
I
real
think-
quick.
I don't know what it is. It's something that goes inside of here when this comes off.
Just put it on real quick. Move back so I can get you. Wow.
It's all him.
That's cool, baby. Oh, yeah, there you go.
If you need the handlebars down more, you want the handlebars down more?